The reason I wanted to learn te reo was because I've got 10 mokapuna. They're learning it, so why can't I?
Kia ora, it's me! Ko Penny aho, and I've been learning te reo Māori for 1 year. Goodbye!
Oh, you've lost a lot of weight since last year.
Oh, have I? No way! I've been studying the tiriti or wai... Oh, hey, do you want to just go in the back and get my book? Yeah! Look, just there! Give me all my Māori books. Come on. I've been studying the Treaty of Waitangi, and I've been studying the tikanga, Māori. I've learnt a few waiata. Te whakapono. What? Got a new moko, which makes te kau mā tahi, oku mokapuna. The reason I want to learn more because of my grandchildren. I would love to be able to talk to Scarlett in te reo fluently, but I find it really hard. But I do try, and they're very quick to correct me, and I'm sure they actually have a bit of a laugh. E hino.
Tino,
He tino.
hoha,
Hoha.
oku,
Oku.
tamariki.
Tamariki. Hey! Kapai.
This year's a Waiata Challenge, Mum.
Oh wow, yeah, I love to sing. Not that great, but I can sing. Not in tune. Te aroha, te whakapono, me te rangi Māori e tātou e. I've just learned a new song called Te Aroha. What a quinky dink! He waiata tēnei ko te aroha. Te aroha, te whakapono, me te rangi Māori e tātou e. Goodbye!